Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and first of all happy Deepavali to all of you. Today for Deepavali special I have created this particular makeup look which is very much reddish and greenish with lots of yellow tone. So it's quite heavy makeup look which is very much opt for Diwali festival. So I'm gonna show you how I have created this particular makeup look. Keep on watching.
For primer, here I have taken Blue Heaven primer. So this is oil-free non-greasy primer and I have applied it all over the face, especially focusing in my T-zone. For concealer, I have taken Elegel Pro Conceal. I have taken a little bit darker shade to color correct my under eye. This is in the shade Almond. For foundation here, I have taken MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC37. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm dotting it all over the face. I'm applying only one pump, like you can see, very thin layer. And with the help of the buffing brush, I'm just blending it. So take your good time over here and blend your foundation. As you can see, it is blended seamlessly. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighting shade of concealer, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone. This is in the shade Medium Beige, again from Elegel Pro Conceal. So I'm just applying it under my eye, in the eyelid and the highlighting area like bridge of the nose, forehead, chin. And I'm just blending it with the help of beauty sponge. So I'm just blending it seamlessly so that it will not look very cakey and harsh line should not be visible. And guys, don't forget your neck. Next, I'm taking the rose powder from Lakme and I'm setting the makeup. Like basically, I'm setting the foundation, especially I'm setting the concealer so that it will not crease. So as you can see, generally buffing the face, but major focus is in the eye. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm taking the eyebrow powder. So the eyebrow powder matches my hair color. So I'm taking the angular brush. First, I'm drawing the outline with the very slight pressure and then I am filling the gap. So guys, make sure your hand is very light and take a very little product over here. Next, for eyeshadow, I am using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and I have taken very light brown shade. Shade name is Hina and I am applying it all over the eyelid. So I am just blending it. I am just applying it with the all over the eyelid. Next, I have taken Miss Clear eyeshadow palette number 4 and I have taken the only green shade available here because my today's outfit is green, yellow and red mix. So I wanted the focus to be in red and I have applied it on the 3/4 of my eyelid. So leaving the inner corner or 1/3 of the inner eye, I have applied it and slightly I am building the color here. And then I am again taking the blending brush and blending it with the brown eyeshadow. So again here I am applying the gold shade which is from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. The shade name is 24K and I am applying it in the 1/3 of the eyelid. Next I am taking the blending brush and I am just blending the harsh line so that it should not be visible. Harsh line looks very bad in the eyeshadow, so make sure you blend it properly. Next, for my lower waterline, I have taken Kohl from Sugar. So this is Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl 05 Black Magic. Then I am taking the eyeshadow brush, like basically a blending brush, like a pencil shape, pencil brush actually it is. And I am taking the same green color eyeshadow from Miss Clear palette and I am blending the Kohl. I am just smudging off. Next, I am taking the highlighting shade from Huda Beauty, which is called at Moon Dust, and I am applying it in my highlight. I am applying it to highlight my eyes. So I am going to apply it in the inner corner as well, so that it will give you that pop of color and your eyes looks much awake. So do not forget this step also. It will give your eyes very flirtatious effect. Next, I am taking the eyeliner. This is the NYB Sakti collaboration eyeliner in the shade Cha 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 1. This is basically black color eyeliner. I am just drawing a thin, liner and a small wing so that all my eye makeup looks put together. what I do is usually I start from middle and I go towards outside, and at the end I will draw the line in the inside, as you can see. Next I am curling my lashes. This is again optional, you can directly move into mascara, but I like the effect which curler gives, so I usually use it. For mascara I am using Maybelline Colossal mascara. So guys, Maybelline makes the best mascara ever, so I have not tried any other brand, I could say, and I am not able, I am not planning to even try also, because their mascara is really good. You can definitely get your hands in this. I am applying it in both upper and lower eyelashes. I am not using any falsies here, because personally I don't feel that much comfortable in falsies. For next contouring, I am taking Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette. So this palette has contour, blush and highlight, everything. So I am taking the contour shade and I am just actually bronzing it slightly. It's not like a typical contour, very slight amount of color I am taking it, and I am just bronzing my face, and you can see my forehead is really big, so I had to focus over here. Here also I am just bronzing very slightly. Next I am just taking the peach color from the same palette and I am applying as a blush. I'd like to go little towards my ear, towards upward direction. And what I do here is I apply the blush in my nose and chin also, so that it will give the symmetric color. It will not look very fake. It looks like a flush up color within. Next, to set all my makeup, I am using Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer. This is again the great product in affordable range, guys. I definitely suggest you guys. So I am just letting it dry. Next, for highlight, I am using Maybelline Master Comb highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. What a highlighter, guys. This is like a gold in a bottle, I will say. So this is very subtle yet very popping highlighter. Subtle in the sense it will not look very chunky. The product are finely melt and it will give you a very beautiful and natural glow. Especially for Indian skin tone, this looks fab, guys. So I am highlighting my all the high points, like bridge up the nose, cupid bow, my chin, all over there. Next I am using the lip liner to line my lips. I have used the Glam 21 lip liner in the shade L01 Bright Red. For the lipstick, it's a festive time obviously, so I wanted red color. I have used this beautiful and one of my favorite red color from MAC. This is the shade Russian Red. So for face dip, this shade looks amazing, guys. Although my eyes are very heavy, I don't mind. I wanted to go red with my lips. So this is the makeup, guys. And now here quickly I have changed my outfit. I'm just going for my hair, very simple hairdo. I have done middle partition and have taken all the hair from backside and rolled it in a bun, just a normal bun. And now I have put the rubber band, and this is the hair accessories, like a fake flower, like a gajra kind of thing, and I have set up over there. And for my extra hair and obviously for my baby's hair, I had to do something. So I have used the bobby pin and I have set all those here. I have used the L'Oreal hairspray so that all my baby hair sit in place. And this spray is really good, guys. So next I am applying the bindi, green color bindi, matching my outfit. And I didn't have a sindoor, so what I did was same lipstick which I used earlier, I have used it as my sindoor. Next here I have applied my jewelry, and I'm wearing my bangle, and this is my final look, guys. So I have wore this beautiful sari which is yellow, green, red and golden mix with my matching jewelry and blouse. So all my outfit and jewelry I have got it from nearby store. And I hope you guys like this video. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.